You sure this guy's all right?
I'm telling you, the guy's
You
good.
checked him out?
Hey, here he is right here. Phil Nico. Nico Phil.
So you're the guy who got jumped for a couple of million?
Yeah, you gonna pop me for it?
No, I've heard good things. Some odd friends, but you know, what are you gonna do?
You're right. I've been keeping bad company.
Oh, you mean this guy? He's okay. Well, he pays up, and he ain't gone state yet.
Very funny, ha.
Listen, we got a lot of missing money, and we got a problem with these fucking bikers.
And I've got the problem finding someone.
Yeah, nearly got something on that.
So we sent some of our boys after the money. Maybe you can deal with the bikers. Calm them down. They're causing trouble on the corner of Vauxhall and Exeter.
Sure.
Otherwise, you and Raymond here got a serious problem. The boss has got to get paid. Even when people forget to tell them about things they're working on.
Don't bust my balls. What's the point of talking about things unless they become real?
I'm sure.
Yeah, I'm sure you're sure, Phil. You of all people.
Now, what the hell does that mean?
Nothing. I mean, come on. You're a guy who knows what's what, right, Phil? Take it easy.
Hey guys, what's going on? Kasam says it here, bringing some more Grand Theft Auto 4 main story missions gameplay. This is the mission called No Way on the Subway. Alright, now this mission, I'm gonna say it is tricky. Because what it is, once you get to this checkpoint, you will meet up with these lost guys.
You took something that belonged to my employers.
Shit! That's the cocksucker that Johnny ripped off for the diamond loot! Hey, why don't we see if he can keep up with some real American bikers? Hey, let's do this!
Just great. Fantastic.
Alright, there you go. So they make a run for it. And yeah, automatically you run next to a bike. So it's already hit. You know, just get on the bike. And then just chase him down. Now, basically, all you have to do is just make sure you kill, if you can, just kill one of them as quick as possible. Just any of the two, whatever. As long as you kill one of them, it makes the job a whole lot easier. So I'll basically skip all of the chasing down until we eventually got to the bloody subway. And then I've already killed one there, like you just saw. Now it makes things a lot more easier now. All I have to do is just focus on one guy, and he happens to drive incredibly faster now. Just a bit faster once I kill them. And yeah, so like I said, it makes it a bit more trickier. But it doesn't matter. I mean, I've got quite a lot of submachine gun ammo. I can just go for it, and just also, of course, watch out for the trains. Be sure you don't hit them, otherwise you'll die and then fail the mission. So there you go. So this is the bit where I just keep chasing them through the subway. But like I said, you know, they get a little bit trickier, and then see here, look, the start. Going through this way on the tracks, and of course driving on tracks, so it's just annoying anyway, down on tracks. Alright, so there you go. So just make it here. If you could kill them as soon as possible, makes things a lot easier, but I just can't. I don't know if it's the range of my submachine gun didn't work or something, but it's just not doing the job for me. But there's stuff I could do, just have to keep chasing him down, and I guess at this point I was already wasting ammo. So I'm already trying to chase him down because he got off the tracks, and I was going to get back onto the road. Okay, and I'm flopped here. Fail! I saw that coming, but I just didn't slow down enough, which sucked. Alright, so just look on the minimap, see where they are, keep following them. And here, yeah, decided, yeah, there you go, see it. Off through on the grass, go onto the main road. Hey, come on, where is he? Oh yeah, where is he? Come on. See on the minimap, trying to anticipate his moves. Pretty slow, he turns in corners. That's cool, that's fine. And now I'm chasing up now, Alright, that's it, look, I'm really close to him now. So let's do this, dude, huh? Oh yeah, finally. Alright, let's get out of here. And let's bring out my shotgun. Try and bring out my shotgun quick. Oh, okay, not shotgun, but with pistol. Once you kill both of them, that's it. mission completed. It's just the bitch about this mission is just chasing them down. They all drive through ridiculously fast, and that's it. That's just the annoying part.
I got rid of those bikers for you. Johnny wasn't there, though.
The other guys is meant to be taking care of him. Don't worry about it, Nicky.
Alright, so there you go. That's it. That's how this mission is completed. I'm Sam Says there. If you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm out. Peace.